Hello from Dubai Airport Terminal 3, home of Emirates Airlines. Finally, I'm flying from different airport than Edinburgh. I'm flying to Manila. If you saw my previous video, you will know I had 10 hours layover here in Dubai, and now I'm flying to Manila, Philippines. Today I'm flying with Boeing 777 and looking forward to that experience. It is economy class. Finger crossed it's not going to be full. As I check the website, there should be some seats vacant. Finger crossed. I would like to have some sleep. It is overnight flight. We are leaving Dubai at 6 o'clock and we should arrive in Manila at 6 a.m. in the morning. I still have a couple of minutes before I board, so I will enjoy this beautiful lounge and glass of wine.
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
And ready to leave the lounge and go to board our plane. Actually, just let you know, this is Dubai Airport. Here is our gate. Oh, we are already boarding. It was very quick boarding, but we are still waiting in a waiting room. I'm going to check if I can see our Boeing. No, unfortunately I can't see it, but it's fine. We have, I think, like around 20-25 minutes and we will wait here. There is our Boeing. The usual amenities, headphones, pillow and a blanket. But actually this is not Airbus 350 and it's really old plane. As you can see, this screen oh, it's actually work, okay, so you can touch it, but you also have this funny remote control. And as you can see, it's already broken on some part. And it's really small. In Airbus, the TV was huge. This is small. I'm not sure if I actually can connect my headphones. I will try it later on. But what we have here? Movies.
It's okay, I'm not get out. Are you sure? No, I just get up myself. I'm sorry. No, you don't get up.
Pretty good selection. Some new, some old. We are almost ready to take off. And yes, as I guessed, you can connect your headphones, unfortunately. we got a menu for this flight. Here are information about today flight. As I said, Boeing 777-300 and duration is 7 hours 24 minutes. Okay, we actually arriving at 5 p.m. I thought it's 6 p.m. Okay. We are going to have a dinner.
Lunch, we're serving chicken with fried rice and meat with tomatoes.
Chicken, please.
I'll have the beef.
Nuts. Can I have white wine, please?
White wine, yeah.
I have a glass of white wine and a glass of Sprite.
Of course. Shandy. Okay, sir.
Here is my dinner. Bread, butter, nuts, cake, salad, and I have chicken. Let's try to open. Thank you. Thank you. And here is my chicken. We finished our dinner. Not great, not terrible. Yeah, and previous flight and Airbus, it was better. Definitely, it was better.
The beef was very blunt with no taste, and I had a beetroot salad, and it was just like from a freezer, with no taste. Like you don't want to eat it because it's like already gone.
Yeah, actually, the beetroot salad wasn't good at all. We had puffiteros, I think. For a dessert, this was nice, but again, it was like from freezer. It wasn't fresh. I know some airlines they do fresh food, and actually, at least it tastes fresh. I know they need to prepare that in advance, but at least it tastes fresh. This food didn't taste fresh at all. Good morning. I slept almost whole flight. We have 2 more hours. I went to the toilet. I will show you that small Lego vase. They have branded items here. Tissues. It's not really clear, as you can see. Lots are there. Mirror. Yeah, oldish again, and not really clean. second meal in a few minutes. It should be like a light meal, but it's again either chicken or fish. I guess it's like a dinner, light dinner, because it is 11 p.m. in Dubai.
The fish with oyster sauce or chicken?
I'll have the chicken, please.
Fish. Thank you.
Orange?
Thank you. I actually like this one much more than the first meal. It was really good. Very good morning from Manila airport. We arrived. We are here, happy and safe. Boeing 777 wasn't the greatest. It is really old plane, like this which we flew with. It was really old, but one positive, I slept almost through the whole flight, which is good. Food, first service I did not like it, neither rad. Second one was better. Entertainment, it was really poor because the screen it was too slow. If you touch it, it did not react. And then this remote control, it was really hard to operate. So I did not even watch any film, or I tried to play a game, but it did not work, so I gave up after a few minutes. But we are here, it's the main point. You can see my overall rating. It might help you. I know it's sometimes hard to choose flight with a specific aircraft, but yeah, it might help you. That's it from this video. Hopefully you will stay tuned because lots of tips from Philippines is coming. I'm so excited, it must be my first time here. But for now, take care, stay safe and see you later. Bye bye.